Hello and welcome to Cooking in English. Hola, bienvenidos a Cocinando en Inglés. Today we are going to learn how to cook caramels. Hoy vamos a aprender a cocinar caramels.
Spooky.
Perfect.
Bienvenidos. I just flew in from Transylvania and man, are my arms tired. Acabo de llegar de Transylvania y hombre, tengo los brazos cansados. Y los sustantivos and the nouns. Primero, herramientas. First, tools. Stove, pot, wooden spoon, baking dish, measuring spoons, measuring cups, parchment paper, aluminum foil, knife, scissors, cutting board. Y nuestros ingredientes and our ingredients. 2/3 stick of butter, half cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of pancake syrup, 400 milliliters of condensed milk, half teaspoon of vanilla, a sprinkle of sea salt. Y las otras cosas, and the other things. Vampire, bat, pumpkin, spider, and ghost.
Scary.
And for the verbs, y por los verbos. Prepare, spread, heat, add, melt, mix, bring to a boil, simmer, stir, pour, chill, cut, sprinkle, wrap. And finally for our instructions, y finalmente por nuestras instrucciones. 1. Prepare the baking dish with aluminum foil. 2. Spread a little butter on the aluminum foil. 3. Heat the stove to medium. 4. Add the butter and sugar. 5. Melt the ingredients and mix. 6. Add condensed milk and pancake syrup. 7. Bring ingredients to a boil. 8. Simmer and stir constantly for 15 minutes. 9. Add vanilla, mix, and pour into the baking dish. 10. Chill until firm. 11. Cut the caramel into small pieces. 12. Sprinkle salt on top and wrap with parchment paper.
Thrilling.
And now we can get started. Y ahora podemos comenzar. First, prepare the baking dish with aluminum foil. Spread a little butter on the aluminum foil. Heat the stove to medium. Add the butter and sugar. Melt the ingredients and mix. Add the condensed milk and pancake syrup. Bring ingredients to a boil. Simmer and stir constantly for 15 minutes. Add vanilla, mix, and pour into the baking dish. Chill until firm. Cut the caramel into small pieces. Sprinkle salt on top and wrap with parchment paper. Enjoy.